Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I am coming up with a small tutorial on modeling and texturing a crossing bridge and environment in 3DsMax. So I have already opened up a reference over here, so we'll be modeling this. So how we can do over here is so very first of all, let's take a plane section over here. So for creation of such stuff, what I can do over here is I can take a plane. I can just take a plane over here. I'll just increase its length and width. And I'll go into this and I'll increase its segments over here. Let's set the segments to 80 and 80 over here. So select this top object. So I'll just freeze this. Select this. And now what I can do over here is there are many other ways. You can just go into this Freeform. I'll first convert to editable poly. I'll go into the Freeform and you have a push pull and option. So I'll be utilizing this push and pull. So before we use this push and pull, we will increase the size of the brush over here. So let's just increase the height of it, make it uneven. So just make it uneven over here. So let's just increase its size. So this is going to be this area where I'll increase its size like this. Definitely you can increase it in your way. Alright, so once you're done, I'll just give a random color to it. So just to give a look in that way. So now what I'll be doing over here is so once you've added this, definitely we'll be adding many other elements later on. So first I'll just scale this stuff. So few of the area. So if you want, you can increase it more also. So again, take a plane over here. So let's just take this as a road section over here. So just we'll consider this as a road section for now. So I'll slightly shuffle this. And still we can increase its push and pull. You can increase the strength if required. You can increase, decrease the strength. So let's just convert to poly, select this, slightly will shuffle this over here, slightly will shuffle this over here, slightly will shuffle. Well, we can just forward this stuff wherever it is required. So we are just making it as a bit uneven terrain. So let's go over here, shift and drag it. We can just shift and drag and shift and drag this element out. So select this, and again let's give some connects over here, and let's just make it uneven. Can just make it as uneven. Later on we can just smoothen it up. So now what I can do, I have some other reference also, so I'll just take some other reference if required. So this is one more reference which we can use it if required. So let's just take a box over here from this view like this. So I'll select this and I'll increase its height a bit in this way. So let's go over here slightly. I'll push it in this way, shuffle it down, convert to editable poly, and what I can do over here is like I'll go into the modeling and I'll just add a loop over here. So if you look at it closely over here, if I just shift this down like this, or else you need to increase its height more over here. So I'll just increase its strength over here, slightly reduce its strength. So let's just increase its strength. So we can just increase the strength of it. So definitely we're going to do some stuff. Alright. Definitely will. So just select this stuff, go over here, push it up more. I think this much is okay. And select the polygons and slightly I'll just extrude it down over here. After that, let's again go into the modeling part. I can just add some loops over here. So again go over here and use again a push pull option over here, make it a bit flat. I'll reduce its strength over here, make it a bit flat over here. So again go over here, select this edges, shift and drag it like this, and road I'll just increase the width of this particular road till here. And even if you want to make it uneven, so I have some option over here that's called noise. I can reduce the strength of it and I can just make it uneven, the area you need. So slightly I'll increase its strength. Alright, if required you can use that, or else it's totally okay. So select this, slightly shuffle it down, so what I can do over here, if you want to connectivity of this particular road over here, I can just make a line over here and slightly just shuffle this up, select this polygon and you have option extrude along spline. So extrude along spline, undo it, extrude along spline, and you can just increase its segments. So now what I'll do over here is like I'll just try to manage this. So first I'll convert to editable poly. I'll give a okay. So before that, let's again go into the edges and select this edges and give a turbo smooth. Okay, and it's a bit heavier. Convert to editable poly, and now you can use push and pull to manage the height of this particular road. So what we can do is like, now we are just using this to increase the height of the road. Okay. So again go over here, I'll go into this AC extended and I'll just take a railing can just take a railing over here. Shuffle this over here and can increase the length of the railing. The railing is very short, so height will definitely reduce it. The depth also can be reduced and profile is okay. This is okay. Okay, we'll keep this one. And you also have this option. We can increase the post over here and do that. I'll just shift and drag and I'll just duplicate that. Okay, so before we do this over here, I'll just go into this modeling and I'll put 2 swift loops over here. And slightly extrude it up and click OK. So select this and shuffle this down. So if you think it's not grounded, you can slightly just push it down. Let's just save this. I'll save it over here. So there are a lot of elements we are going to create over here now. So we'll go with on slowly. So definitely we need to adjust this again. So go into this, push and pull and adjust it. Alright, so you can adjust it accordingly. Okay, so we can just relax this. Later on we can do some changes required. That we can do it over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So as you can see, we have started with this modeling of this particular passing bridge and environment. A lot of things left. We'll complete it in the coming tutorial. So we'll continue with the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.